Hi everybody, it's me, Artist King, back with another video. I took a little break to regroup, so today I want to show you a video of how you can use regular paper glue. This is the glue you buy for your kids when they're going back to school and they need glue for school. It's fairly cheap. I think I paid like $1.49 for this, and I decided to use it to try and make stencils. Because sometimes you get stencils and they so like perfect. Sometimes to do your collage and your mixed media stuff, you just need something that nobody else has. So I thought about using this. I think I saw somebody do it on YouTube, and I said, well, let me try and see if I can make it. First, I tried to do it with a glue gun, and for some reason, I think I didn't have the correct material to make it on, so I couldn't get that right. So I said, well, let me try and show you guys how a simple way to do it with glue. So you just I use some plastic folders, file folders. That's what I cut them in half, and I bought this bottle of glue. I think, like I said, it was about $1.49 or $1.50, somewhere around there. And I decided to make it. So you just make it in whatever pattern that you want. So I decided to do some circles. But one of the things I noticed about it, you have to put the glue on thick. You can't do it thin. See, I had like sometimes I had to go back and make it a little bit thicker. You have to make the lines and stuff that whatever pattern you make, and you have to make the lines a little bit thicker. Because what happens, if you don't make it, it wouldn't be strong enough to hold a stencil together, which is what I discovered. So I did this simple pattern to show you. Now, with this, what happened, mine takes like a day or two to dry. So what I've done, I'm showing you how you can do it. Like I say, you can make whatever pattern you want to make. You can make squares, you can make some abstract looking patterns. That is entirely up to you. So, like I said, make the lines thick enough that when they dry, they will stick, they will hold together, which is what I tried to do here. So I like I said, I kept going around in circles, which, afterwards, I think in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how I use some of these stencils. So yeah, so it's simple. You just make whatever pattern that you choose to make, and then you set it in a cool place. I just leave it right on my art table that I use to do this. You set it there and you leave it. And like I said, mine takes about 2 days to dry completely. And it comes out pretty good. So like I said, I haven't tested them out yet to see how they would work when I actually use like a what you call it, the God, I can't think of the name, the ink pad and the brush. Okay, so now I'm finished with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this aside and leave it to dry, because I can't show you the finished product based on that. And now I've made some a few days before, so I'll show you what they look like. So after they dry, this is pretty much what they would look like. So this is one that I made, and you see it's not really strong. I think maybe if you put more glue, it will hold better. But I did about 3 of them before I decided to do this video, because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing. So yeah, I made just regular patterns and they stay pretty good. And here's another one that I did. So I'm gonna do some videos, some mixed media, some kind of type of videos, and try these out and see how they work. So now you can see the one that I just did, and you can see up there what the finished product looks like. See how thick the glue is on there, and see how it dries. So like I said, it takes a while to dry. And then you just kind of gently peel it off that plastic folder thing. And that's how it comes out. So I'm looking forward to doing uh, um, an actual video using some of these stencils so you can see. So rather than go and spend a whole ton of money buying stencils, because stencils can be pretty expensive depending on the ones that you choose to get. So, just check this out, and I challenge you to try it. See if something you can do. And do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoy this video, if you just like the overall content of my channel. Okay, so I guess you guys, I will see you next time. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye now.